people are looking for answers. They're looking for answers. They're looking for how to deal with the jobs that are being lost in this economy. Their lack of affordable health care, they want to know what they're going to do about that. They're wondering what's happened after you talk about the retirement security. Many Americans see vanishing before their very eyes. And they're looking for an answer to how and under what circumstances should we send our fighting women and men abroad to fight? Under what circumstances? What's the rationale? Ladies and gentlemen, and by the way, all the things they said about Barack Obama in rallies and on TV before the debate, and all the things that they're saying right now after the debate, John McCain couldn't bring himself to look Barack Obama in the eye and say at the debate. Ladies and gentlemen, an awful lot of people have been knocked down. My dad used to have an expression, and everybody kids me about it because I talked about it so much during my life. My dad used to say, "Champ, get knocked down, get up. Just get up." And ladies and gentlemen, I've never seen so many Americans knocked down since I've been in the Senate, since age 29. There's so little to do to help them get up. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Together, we get up. America is ready.
Want to do a picture? Sure. There we go. You sure can. Come on, Claire.
Oh, that's good.
There you go. We're going to do one here. Thank you.
Can you take a picture of me? I won't get it. No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. What's your name? Thank you.
Senator Biden, please help Ukraine, help Crimea and other newly independent states. Please help to counter Russia at all times and be ready to counter them.
We've got to, because Putin is on the move.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Be ready at all times.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for being here.